Hello, little girl.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Nick.
Good afternoon. What's your name?
My name is Kara.
Kara, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good. Give me five. Okay, Kara, how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
6 years old. Wow. And how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good. Kara, can you please tell me what color do you like?
I like orange and pink and red.
Like orange, pink, and red. Wow. And what animals do you like?
I like rabbit, bird, and cat.
Like rabbits, birds, and cats. Right. Do you have birds or rabbits or cats at home?
No.
No, you don't?
No.
Okay. Now let's do some actions, okay? Can you point your nose? Rub your stomach. Pat your head. Very good. What are these?
Ear.
Ears. Very good. How many ears do you have?
I have 2 ears.
2 ears. Very good. And how many noses do you have?
I have 1 nose.
Very good. Okay. Kara, are you hungry?
No.
Sleepy?
No.
No. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now I hope you are ready for the speaking test. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I will show you some cards, and you tell me what is this. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. There we go. What is
Milk.
it? Milk. Do you like to drink milk?
Yeah.
Yes. Very good. And this one?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Good.
Butter.
Very good.
3.
Cheese.
3.
Very good. This one?
Crab.
This one?
Pinch. 5.
Fight. Very good.
Pinch.
Pinch. Can I pinch you? Can I pinch? Is it nice to pinch?
No.
No. Okay.
Kick.
Kick. Very good.
Pin.
This is hit.
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 Very good. This one?
Hurt.
Ouch. Hurt.
Hurt.
Good. These are noodles.
Noodles.
Good.
Meat.
This is ham.
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 Good. Juice. Very good.
Hot dog.
Hot dog. Very nice.
Salad.
Salad.
Pancake.
Very nice. Pancake. And this one?
Hamburger.
Very good. And this one?
Popcorn.
Very nice. All right. So once again, we have milk. Kara, do you know days of the week? Weekends are cool. Do you know that song?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Okay, now I will show you 7 days of the week, okay? And you tell me the name. Okay? Can you tell me what day of the week is it?
Monday.
Monday, very good.
Tuesday.
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 Yeah, Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Good.
Thursday.
Monday. Tuesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday, good.
Friday.
No, this is TH. Thursday.
Thursday.
Very good.
Friday.
Very nice.
Saturday.
Very good.
Monday.
This is C.
Sunday.
Very good. And
Weekend.
Saturday and Sunday. Weekends.
Weekend.
Saturday and Sunday are called weekends. Okay, so Kara, do you like to sing songs?
Yeah.
Yes, I do. Okay, now can you please tell me the title of this song? What's the name of
The
this song?
title of the song is
Weekends.
Weekend are Cool.
Cool. Okay, let's sing the song, okay? Go.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, on all those days, I go to school. Where I come Saturday and Sunday, I with my family, and now it's cool.
Very good. Okay, now, do you know what day comes after Monday?
Tuesday,
Tuesday. Very good. And what day comes before Monday? What day comes before Monday?
Tuesday,
Sunday.
Sunday,
See, Monday, Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Sunday.
Okay. Now, what day comes after Monday? After Monday is after Monday is Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Okay. And before Monday is
Tuesday,
before we go back. Okay. Before. See? Before Sunday. Before Sunday, Saturday. Before Saturday, Friday.
Friday.
Before Friday, Thursday.
Thursday,
Before Thursday, Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Before Wednesday, Tuesday. Before Tuesday, Monday. And before Monday, Sunday.
Sunday.
Okay, good job. And now here I have some cards, okay, some phonograms. You tell me the name of the letter and then you tell me the sounds, okay? You ready? Go.
This is letter I. Made free J. S-I-E.
Very good. Give me five. This one.
This is letter P. Made one sound.
Very good. And this one.
This is letter J. Made one sound.
J. Very good. J. J. Okay. Now, can you please make the letter J sounds and then read the word, okay?
Jam. Pajamas. Jump.
Very nice. Good job. Give me five. Okay. Now here we have a poem for you to read, okay? Can you please first read the title?
The title of the poem is Jam.
Now read jam.
Jam. Jam on my pancake. Jam on my bread. Jam in my chocolate, but not on my hair.
Very good. Now let's find some sounds, okay? Now can you please point P sound and say the word? P.
Pancake.
Very good. Let's find B sound.
B.
B.
No.
But.
But.
B. Bread.
Red.
What about D sound?
D.
D.
Donut.
Very good. In fact, okay. Do you know what's this?
Period.
Very good. Period. Very nice. Okay. Now let's move on. Okay. Now can you please tell me when we bump into someone or we burp or we sneeze, what do we say?
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Very good. Okay. Do you know what are the nice things to say? Nice things to say. Excuse me. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. I'm sorry. It's okay.
Very good. These are some very nice things to say. Very good. Okay. Now, here we have a song, okay? Can you please, first of all, tell me, is it nice to hit or kick or pinch your friends?
No.
No, that's not nice, okay? And what are the nice things to do? What are the nice things to do? Sit nicely.
Nicely.
Be
Be
quiet.
quiet.
Don't
Don't
hit your
hit
friends.
the
Don't pull their
your
hair.
hair.
Okay, these are some very nice things to do. Okay, now here, be
Nice.
nice. Can you sing the song, please?
Yeah.
Go.
Don't get a pin your friend. Don't find a pull their hair. Don't grab all them everywhere. Be nice like Johnny Bear.
Very good. Is Johnny Bear nice or bad?
Nice.
Nice. Very good. Okay. Now here we have cow, cow. Now let's suppose.
Cow.
Now listen to me. Don't look at here. Okay. Now, can you please tell me what do you want for a snack?
I want ice cream and popcorn.
For
Snap.
for my snack. Very good. Okay. Now, if you want a snack, how do you say your mother?
Mother.
Give me
Me ice cream and popcorn.
popcorn
Snap.
for my snack. Mother, please give me ice cream and popcorn for my snack. Okay, very good. And can you please tell me what do you want for dinner?
I want rice and egg and milk.
You want rice, eggs, and milk for
Dinner.
dinner. Very good. Okay. Now here, first of all, tell me what animals do you see at the zoo?
I see kangaroo, zebra, and lion, and bird, and monkey, and snake
At
at the zoo.
very good. At the zoo. Okay. Now here we have a big book. Okay. Can you please tell me what's the name or title of this big book?
It's six.
Six. It's six. Okay. Now let's read. Okay. I point and you read. Okay.
I see six lions sitting in the sun.
Hmm.
I see six zebra crouching to run.
Hmm.
I see six nature by the kangaroo. I see them all at the zoo.
Okay. Very good. Now can you please tell me what are the lions doing?
The lion is asleep
Sleeping in
in
the
the
sun.
sun.
Lions are sleeping in the
The
sun.
sun.
Very good. Okay. Now, do you like to read stories? Correct?
Yeah.
Yes, I do. Okay. Now, here we have a story. Jam, jam.
Jam.
Now, here, can you please point the pictures and then read the story, okay? Go. Jam, jam.
Jam, jam,
Good.
jam, jam on my pancake.
Hmm? Jam, jam.
Jam
On
my
my.
bread.
Hmm.
I like jam on my bread.
Hmm.
Ham on my pizza. I like ham on my pizza. Egg, egg with my rice. I like egg with my rice.
Hmm.
Noodle in my soup. I like noodle in my soup. Tree in my
Sandwich.
sandwich. I like tree in my sandwich. Milk with my cookie. I like milk with my cookie. Meat in my spaghetti. I like meat in my spaghetti.
Hmm.
Butter on my popcorn. I like butter on my popcorn. Chicken with my salad. I like chicken with my salad. Candy, candy on my ice cream. I like candy on my ice cream. Kid, kid for my birthday. I like kid for my birthday.
Very good. The end.
And
Now, what do you like for your birthday?
I like kid
For
for birthday.
my
My birthday.
I like cake,
Kid,
toys, ice cream, chips, and sweets for my birthday.
birthday.
Very good. And what do you like in your soup?
I like
Yes, in your soup. I like eggs and meat in my soup. What do you like in your soup?
I like meat and
I like chicken in my soup. I like fish in my soup. Hmm? Okay, now here we have a song, Big Big Turkey. We don't sing, okay? Just a few questions for you. Is turkey big or little?
big
Very good. Okay. Is turkey fat or thin?
fat
Very good. Are you fat or thin?
pig.
I'm thin. Very good. Can turkey see its feet?
No.
No. Why not? Why not? Because turkey is
It's
big and
big,
fat.
fat.
Can you see your feet?
Yeah.
Yes, I can. Very good. Good job, Kara. You have done a really great job here today. And our speaking time is over. And we're going to say goodbye, parents, and goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, everyone. See you again.
Oop. Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.